In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in ClickUp. Whether you're migrating information or simply want to back everything up, exporting your data can be incredibly useful. I'll walk you through each step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, let's dive right into the ClickUp environment. Open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp's dashboard. This is where all your projects, tasks, and data reside. Make sure you've signed in with your credentials so you have full access to the features necessary for the export. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the Settings option. This is where we'll manage everything related to your account and workspace configuration. Clicking on Settings directs you to a new page where you can manage a multitude of options tailored to your ClickUp experience. Now, navigate to the Imports/Exports feature. This section is all about transferring data, whether you're bringing it in or, in our case, sending it out. It's a handy tool for managing your data flow efficiently. When you find yourself within the Imports/Exports menu, head directly over to the Export area. It's crucial not to confuse this with importing. Click on it and you'll be prompted with options regarding your export. Here you will notice an option labeled Select Location. This is an essential step because it dictates where your exported data will be directed. Click on it to reveal a variety of options specifying the destination for your exported data. Choose the location that best suits your needs, be it a folder within your system or elsewhere where you manage your digital documents. With the location selected, you're almost done. The next thing is to confirm your choice by clicking on Location. This finalizes your decision on where the data is to be sent, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned for the export process to commence. Finally, the moment we've been preparing for, click on Start Export. This command initiates the data export process, compiling your selected data into a file that will be sent to your chosen location. Keep in mind that the exporting process might take a bit of time, depending on the volume of data being processed. Patience is key, but soon enough, your data will be safely backed up and accessible from wherever you decided to store it. With all these steps completed, you've successfully exported your data from ClickUp. It wasn't too bad, right? Now you have your project data stored securely, ready for any future use or to simply have peace of mind regarding data preservation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more guides on maximizing your ClickUp efficiency.